caught anything?
Oh, just a shrimp.
You got a shrimp?
No, I mean a prawn.
Prawn.
Actually.
You okay, Kirsty?
Yeah.
Watch yourself. Is it dead? Okay. You caught anything, Lisa?
Okay, I'll catch it.
You caught anything?
Hot socks, they're out of my socks.
Oh, you are gruesome.
Everybody look! I'm only on to my corner. Yes, I've got a biggest crab. I've got a bunny.
No worse, Joe. No worse.
Just sliding, jump in. There's heaps of fish and crabs here.
What's that?
I've got ice cream in there and there's tons of crabs crawling up.
Keep it brave.
Yo!
It's alright, it's fine. Much, the wait till I empty my pockets for the mobile phone.
Big bucket! Crab bucket or a shrimp bucket? Fish bucket.
Kirsty, your boots are underwater again.
Ah! Oh, that's it. Fish might swim in your roots. Hey, we're going to see what I ate 100 tadpoles.